From day one, I've told you, let the woman chase you, not the other way around. You've heard this advice over and over, but when you're actually in the situation, it feels almost impossible, right? You look around and think, girls don't chase. They don't make the first move. And if you ask them, they'll even say, I'd never chase a man. But here's the twist. Women are naturally more attracted to the men they chase, not the ones chasing them. You feel stuck, confused. You're unsure what to do. That's exactly what we're going to fix right now. First, understand this. There are two types of chasing, logical and emotional. Logical chasing is when a woman comes after you because of what she can get from you. Money, status, power. Maybe you're rich. Maybe you've got a big name. Maybe you're someone important. So she sees the benefits, gifts, a comfortable life, security, and she chases you. But there's a problem with that. Actually, two. One, it's rare. Most people don't have insane wealth or social power, and I won't insult your intelligence by telling you to just make more money. That's obvious, and not helpful right now. Two, logical chasing doesn't lead to real love. You might impress her with your lifestyle, but deep down, she's not into you. She's into what you can give her, and the second someone else offers more or touches her emotions, she's gone. Now, emotional chasing, that's where everything changes. This happens when a woman falls for you because of how you make her feel. She's emotionally attached. She can't stop thinking about you. She wants to be around you. She'll do anything to be close. That's the kind of bond that builds real love. That's the kind that lasts. And here's the golden rule. No woman will ever deeply love you unless emotional chasing happens. So the question is, how do you create it? It starts with two phases, the hunting phase and the chasing phase. First, you make the move, you hunt. Then, if you do it right, she'll begin chasing. Let me break this down with a simple example. Imagine someone gives you a cigarette and says, here, try this. You smoke it, you like it. 5 days later, they offer you another. Then another. Eventually, you don't wait anymore. You go to them. And one day they say, if you want it now, you'll have to pay for it. You're hooked, you need it, and now you're the one chasing. This is exactly how attraction works. In the beginning, you give her little bits of attention, just enough to spark her interest. Then you back off, you return later, offer more attention. Slowly she starts craving it. She wants it more, and before long she's reaching out to you. This is when the power dynamic flips. But don't get it twisted, it's not about manipulation. This is biology, it's psychology. It's how human connection works on a subconscious level. Let's look at how to handle the first phase, hunting. This is where most guys mess up. You take the first step, yes, but you're not supposed to chase her. You're not her follower, you're the leader, you're the chooser. Most guys ask weak follower-style questions like, when can I see you? What do you want to do? Are you free this weekend? These sound harmless, but they silently send a message. You lead, I'll follow. You've just handed over the power. A hunter flips the script. Instead of asking, he tells. He leads with confidence. Try this instead. Tell me when you're free. I've got a spot you'll love. Put your number in my phone. Let's stay in touch. We should grab a drink sometime. Let me know you're weak. You're not being aggressive. You're being decisive, and that's what women respond to. And if she says she can't meet on Sunday, don't try to reschedule immediately. Just say, no problem, we'll do it another time. Then leave it. Walk away with your confidence intact. After the date, don't message her that same night. Give her space, wait a week, then reach out again and propose another date. Keep doing this until she starts messaging you first, every day. That's your signal that the chasing phase has begun. On the date itself, show up on time, not too early, not late. Women are smart. If you play games, they'll pick up on it. Be respectful, be sharp, talk about things that matter. Avoid dead conversations like, what do you do? Or, how was your day? Instead, ask, what's something you've done that made you feel alive? When was the last time you laughed until your stomach hurt? If you could become anything and never fail, what would you do? These hit her emotions. They make her open up. That's how you connect. And when the moment is right, go for the kiss. If she's emotionally connected, she won't say no. When you end the date, do it while the energy is still high. Leave her wanting more. And don't say, let's meet again. Just walk away. Let her wonder. Let her think about you. If you keep showing up once a week, over time, she'll start calling, texting, wanting more. That's when you shift into the chasing phase. Now, you stop being so available. Don't always answer her calls. Don't say yes to every meetup. Make her feel like she has to earn your time. When I made myself available 24/7, girls got bored fast. When they knew they had me wrapped around their finger, they lost interest. But when I pulled back after they were already hooked, that's when they chased. If she pulls away just to test you, stay cool. Don't panic. Don't chase. That's how you pass her test. Remember this. She wants a challenge. She wants someone who's strong, someone she can chase. Be that man.